Welcome to this video where we'll be exploring one of the most powerful features in Go accessing byte.Buffer. Pardon? If you're working with data in Go, chances are you've come across bytes.Buffer at some point. But have you ever wondered what's going on behind the scenes? How does it work its magic in this video? We'll dive deep into the world of byte.Buffer and uncover the secrets of accessing its contents. As developers, understanding how to work with data is crucial, and bytes.Buffer is an essential tool in our toolkit. Whether you're reading from a file, receiving data over a network connection, or simply manipulating strings, bytes.Buffer is often at the heart of it all. So let's get started on this journey to explore the inner workings of accessing byte.Buffer. At its core, bytes.Buffer is a variable-sized buffer of bytes. A byte, think of it like a container that can grow and shrink as you add or remove data from it. But what makes bytes.Buffer so powerful is its ability to be used in a variety of contexts. You can use it to read from a file, write to a network connection, or even manipulate strings. So how do we access the contents of bytes.Buffer? Well, there are several ways to do this, and each has its own strengths and weaknesses. One common approach is to use the bytes method. This method returns a slice of bytes that represents the entire buffer. But be careful. This can be an expensive operation if you're working with large buffers. Another way to access the contents of bytes.Buffer is by using the string method. As its name suggests, this method returns the contents of the buffer as a string. This can be a convenient way to work with text data, but keep in mind that it's not always the most efficient approach. But what about when we need more control over how we access the buffer? That's where the next. And read methods come into play. These methods allow us to read from the buffer in smaller chunks, giving us fine-grained control over the data. This can be especially useful when working with large data sets or streaming data. Let's take a step back and think about what we've learned so far. We've seen that bytes.Buffer is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used in a variety of contexts. We've also explored several ways to access its contents, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. By understanding these different approaches, we can write more efficient and effective code. So what are the from this video first? Bytes. Buffer is an essential tool in Go that provides a variable-sized buffer of bytes. Second, there are several ways to access its contents, including the bytes, string, next, and read method. Finally, each approach has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's crucial to choose the right one for your specific use case. That's all for this video on accessing bytes.Buffer in Go. I hope you now have a better understanding of how this powerful feature works and how you can use it to write more efficient code. If you have any questions or want to continue the conversation, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on Go programming. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.